Hey guys, so good morning. We're going to do standard algorithm division. First, we're going to go through our steps. First thing we want to do is set up our equation. So the number that is first in line is going to be first inside of our house. Okay, rocket your decimal straight up. So we're going to remember to bring our decimal straight up. Okay, divide. Remember, does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Okay, then if there's a remainder, add a 0. There will not be a remainder with decimals, so you might have to add a 0 and continue dividing. Now, our next step is to check with multiplication. So when we multiply our divisor and our quotient, it should equal our dividend, which is our total. Let's begin. So first thing I'm going to do is put my first number inside of my house. I'm going to list my multiples. Okay, and I'm going to bring this decimal straight up, rocket it straight up. That does not change places. Now I have to ask myself, does 5 go into 1? No. Put a 0. Minus 0. Now I need to bring down my 3. Can 5 go into 13? Yes, if I have $13, I can spend 5 2 times. So 2 times 5 gives me 10. I have 3 left over. Bring down my 5. If I have 35, can I spend 5? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Minus 35. I have nothing left over. Now, I can check by multiplying my quotient and my divisor. So, 27 hundredths times 5. 5 times 7 is 35. Drop my 5, carry my 3. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13. I have 2 numbers behind the decimal in my problem. That means I need 2 numbers behind the decimal in my answer, and that checks out. Now, next problem. My first number still needs to go inside of my box. My divisor goes on the outside. List my multiples. If I need more, I'll add more later. Okay, bring your decimal straight up. Do not forget to bring your decimal straight up. Can 6 go into 1? No, if I have $1, I can't spend 6. Bring down my 3. Can 6 go into 13? Yes. 1, 2 times. 2 times 6 gives me this 12. 13 minus 12 gives me 1. Bring down my 2. Can 6 go into 12? That answer would be yes. 2 times. Minus 12. I have nothing left over. I'm going to check by multiplying my quotient with my divisor to see if I get this dividend. 6 times 2 is 12. Drop my 2, carry my 1. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. I have 2 numbers behind the decimal in my problem. That means I need 2 numbers behind the decimal in my answer, and that does check out. Now, these are a little bit different. I'm going to do repeated addition to find my multiples. My first number is still going to go inside of my house. And I'm still going to bring that decimal straight up. 14 plus 14 is going to give me 28. 4 and 8 give me 12. Drop my 2, carry my 1. That's going to give me 42. 4 and 2 give me 6. 1 and 4 give me 5. Okay, 4 and 6 give me 10. drop my 0, carry my 1, 1, 1, and 5, 7. Please do not do yours like this. Please do your repeated addition out to the side, like I'm gonna do with this problem. Okay, 4 and 0 give me 4, 1 and 7 give me 8. If I need more, I'll add more. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and, actually, no, I'm gonna keep going. 4 and 8 give me 12, drop 2, carry my 1, 1 and 1 give me 2, plus 9 is 11. 6. For each one of these numbers, all I'm doing is adding 14. 4 and 6 give me 10, drop 0, carry 1. Okay, you do not need this one. Anytime it repeats like this, that means I did 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The max you should have is 9. Okay. Can 14 go into 1? No, if I have $1, I can't spend 14. Bring down my 3. Can 14 go into 13? That would be 0 times. Bring down my 7. Can 14 go into 137? That would be yes. Make sure you have a digit over each number. So I need to count how many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The max amount of time that does not go over 137 would be 9. Minus 126. Okay, 7 minus 6 is going to be, 6 minus 7 is 1. 2 minus 3 is 1. Bring down my 9. Can 14 go into 119? Yes, I need to find the closest amount of times that does not go over. And that's 112. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nine minus 2 is going to give me 7. Okay, then I asked myself, can 14 go into 7? That answer is going to be no. If I have $7, I can't spend 14. But because I have a decimal here, that means I am able to drop a 0. This is very important. When you drop that 0, this now turns into 70. Can 14 go into 70? That answer would be yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Now I'm gonna check. Don't forget to minus your 70. You wanna make sure you have a remainder of 0 whenever you're dividing decimals. 4 times 5, actually I'm gonna do turtle head for this one. Put my 2 out to the side because I have 2 numbers behind the decimal. 4 times 5 is 20, drop my 0, carry my 2. 4 times 8 is 32, plus 2 is 34, drop my 4, carry my 3. 4 times 9 is 36, plus 3 is 39. Okay, lay your egg, draw your collar, cross out your carried. Now, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 9 is 9, and I'm gonna add. 0 and 0 give me 0, 4 and 5 give me 9, 9 and 8 give me 17, drop my 7, carry my 1, 1 and 9 give me 10, plus 3 gives me 13. I need 2 numbers behind the decimal, so I have 2 numbers behind the decimal. Make sure when you're putting your decimal back in, you're moving in this direction, 1, 2. Okay, now this one says 137 and 9/10. This one says 137 and 90 hundredths. This 0 is just a placeholder, so that is the same answer. It does check out. Now, my first number still goes inside of my box. It does not matter that 78 is bigger than 4 and 68 hundredths. Whatever is first is what is being divided. That is the total amount that you have. You want to split this 78 times. Now, I'm going to do repeated addition for this one so you see how it goes. 8 and 8 give me 16, drop my 6, carry my 1. 7 and 7 give me 14 plus 1 is 15. I want to keep going, so I need to add 78 to that answer. 6 and 8 give me 14, drop my 4, carry my 1. 5 and 7 give me 12, plus 1 is 13. Drop my 3, carry my 1. I'm at 234 plus 78. 4 and 8 give me 12, drop my 2, carry my 1. 3 and 7 give me 10, plus 1 is 11, drop 1, carry 1. I'm at 312 plus 78. 8 and 2 give me 10, drop my 0, carry my 1. 1 and 1 give me 2, plus 7 is 9. And then I need to bring down my 3. I'm at 390 plus 78. 8 and 0 give me 8. 9 and 7 give me 16. Bring up my 1. So I'm at 468. I'm going to go ahead and stop there. I still need to bring my decimal straight up. I asked myself, if I have $4, can I spend 78? That would be 0 times. Bring down my 6. If I have $46, can I spend 78? No. Oops, minus 0. Okay, because 0 times 78 gives me 0. So I have 46, bring down my 8. Now I'm at 468. That would be a yes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. And I still should have a remainder of 0. Now, when I do this problem to check, I'm going to check over here because I used my space on this side. I need to multiply 78 and 0.6. So I'm going to put my 78 at the top and my 600s at the bottom. 6 times 8 gives me 48. Drop my 8, carry my 4. 6 times 7 gives me 42. 42 plus 4 is 46. You don't technically have to do this 0 because it'll give you a whole line of zeros. So I'm going to count. I have 2 numbers behind the decimal in my problem. I need 2 numbers behind the decimal in my answer, and that did check out. Alrighty, thank you.